A very good morning. Today we will be discussing on anti-malarial drugs classification. So here you can see the different types of drugs are being given. So the first one is 4-aminoquinolines, 8-aminoquinolines, 9-aminoacridines. So you can know you from the slide you can understand that aminoquinolines are being involved. Fourth position there is an amino group. Eighth position there is an amino group, right? So quinolines are mainly included as an anti-malarial drug, whereas acridines are also being included as an anti-malarial drug, where ninth position an amino group is being attached. So 4-aminoquinolines, 8-aminoquinolines, and 9-aminoacridines. They belongs to the anti-malarial drugs classification. Next is quinoline methanol derivatives. Then 2,4-diaminopyrimidine derivatives. In the pyrimidine ring, second and fourth position, two amino groups are being attached. So this is 2,4-diaminopyrimidine derivatives. Then biguanides are there. Then sulfone derivatives, sulfonamide derivatives, and sesquiterpene lactones with endoperoxide bridges are there. Then phenanthrene methanol derivatives, then 1,4-naphthoquinones, 1,5-naphthyridine derivatives, then tetracycline derivatives. Right. So let's move on to the first one, that is quinolines. You all know that quinolines, the basic structure contains benzene ring fused with a pyridine ring. That is called as quinolines, right? So I told you there are two types of quinoline drugs having anti-malarial activity. So here you can see 4-aminoquinolines. So first position, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the fourth position, an amino group is being attached. So this type of drugs are called as 4-aminoquinolines, right? So which are the derivatives which comes under 4-aminoquinoline? Chloroquine, amodiaquine, hydroxychloroquine, and piperaquine. Amodiaquine is repeated actually two times here. So chloroquine, amodiaquine, hydroxychloroquine, and piperaquine. So these are the different drugs which comes under 4-aminoquinolone derivatives. Okay. So next is 8-aminoquinolone derivatives. 8-aminoquinolone derivatives means amino group is attached at the 8th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th position there is an amino group. So which are the drugs which comes under this category? Primaquine, pendaquine, tafenoquine, palmaquine, and bulaquine. So these are the drugs which comes under 8-aminoquinolone derivatives. So 4-aminoquinolone derivatives and 8-aminoquinolone derivatives. Next is quinoline methanol. Here also the basic structure is quinoline, but you can see in the fourth position there is a CH2OH group, right? So which are the drugs which comes under quinoline methanol derivatives? So it is mefloquine and quinine. Mefloquine and quinine comes under this quinoline methanol derivatives. So next classification, you can see, I told you earlier, acridine. You can see here, right? This is the basic acridine nucleus. So in the ninth position, you can see an amino group. So this is called as 9-aminoacridines, right? So the drugs which comes under this category includes mepacrine. Okay, mepacrine, 9-aminoacridines. So now I told you pyrimidine derivatives. Second and fourth position, amino group is being attached. So it is called as 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4 diaminopyrimidine derivatives, which includes pyrimethamine and trimethoprim. You can see here, pyrimethamine and trimethoprim are the drugs which possess antimalarial activity, which holds a 2,4-diaminopyrimidine nucleus, right? Next is biguanides, you can see biguanides here, right? So proguanil, chlorproguanil, cycloguanil. So guanils you can remember, right? Proguanil, chlorproguanil, cycloguanil, which comes under biguanide derivatives, right? Biguanide. Next is sulfone derivatives, dapsone. Dapsone, here you can see R and R dash is there, right? So these two R groups which constitute an aminophenyl group, right? In the two R positions, you can see aminophenyl group which is attached to SO2. So this is called dapsone, which is a sulfone derivatives. So which possess anti-malarial activity. Next is sulfonamide derivatives. Here you can see A sulfur group is there. And so sulfonamide derivatives include sulfadoxine and sulfamethopyrazine. Sulfadoxine and sulfamethopyrazine. Next is 1,4-naphthoquinone derivatives. Here you can see naphthalene structure, and the first and the fourth position you can see double bond O, so quinone. So you can see here naphthoquinone derivatives, so atovaquone. So this is an example for 1,4-naphthoquinone derivatives. Then 1,5-naphthyridine derivatives you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5 you can see nitrogen. Nitrogen is being attached here, so it is called as pyronardine. So this is 1,5-naphthyridine derivative, pyronardine. Then tetracycline derivative. Tetracycline derivatives, which mainly includes doxycycline. So the type of tetracycline derivative which possess antimalarial activity include doxycycline. Right. So next is your phenanthrene methanol derivatives. You can see this is a phenanthrene ring system, and phenanthrene methanol derivatives include halofantrin and lumefantrine. Okay, halofantrin and lumefantrine. Then sesquiterpene lactone derivatives. You can see here artemisinin drug with an endoperoxide bridge also. So this is sesquiterpene lactone derivative. So here the drugs belongs to this class includes artemisinin, dihydroartemisinin, artemether, arteether, artesunate, and arteroline. So these are the drugs which comes under sesquiterpene lactone derivatives which possess antimalarial activity. So the main drugs you can see here, the main drugs includes sesquiterpene lactone derivatives, then phenanthrene methanol derivatives, then your aminoquinolines are there, aminoacridines are there, right? So sulfone derivatives are there, sulfonamide derivatives are there. Fine. So so there are 13 classes of drugs under antimalarial agents based on the structural aspect, right? So I hope it is clear. Thank you.